Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Mario Typing in order to learn Mario Typing English or to improve the skill in English typing. In order to get the file, you have to copy the link here. As I already put it in the video description, you have to copy the link and then open any browser. And then you paste the link here, click enter. You will see the home page. To download the file, click on download anyway. You can save to any folder, so I save it to download folder. As you can see the status, the file is already downloaded, so I click on save in folder and then right click on the file to install the application as administrator and click yes. Click next, accept the license agreement and click next. To be here, better to choose anyone who used this computer. That means you allow all the available users on this computer to use the application, and then click finish. And then you can find the application you recently downloaded. Just click on the window here and then click on Mario Teach Typing.